Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. And this level of support is important just because it's essentially, is this some sort of bottom or is this just a little temporary break? And that level is right here at $5.55. Yeah, I realize the price technically went a little bit below it, but looking back here at the history of the chart, you can see that the price both bounced directly off it right there and then earlier this morning. So that seems to be some sort of support. And really it's a question of, because I realize I'm stating the obvious when I say, yeah, this thing's been in a downtrend, but it's always logical. Hey, the price has started to go sideways. Maybe this is going to shape up for some sort of dead cat bounce. Again, I wish trading was this easy, and I wish I could say that because it's been getting beat up and now because it's starting to go sideways. So I mean, because it's been getting hammered pretty good and now all of a sudden it started to go sideways, I wish I could say, therefore, this is a guaranteed bounce to the upward side, and this is going to be at $7. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? No, it wouldn't be shocking, but trading is not that easy. There's no such thing as a guarantee. But at least at this point in time, it becomes logical to wonder if a bounce is coming. Case in point, when the price was right there and falling, did it become, I wonder if it's going to bounce? No, the price was getting hammered. Once again, right there, did it become logical to say, I wonder if this is some sort of bottom? Why would you think that? The price was just going straight down. And again, you get the idea. When it was falling here, it never made sense to even question if some sort of bounce was going to happen because there was no sort of bottom seemingly forming. But here, at least, we have some sideways price movement. Again, is that a guarantee that this is a bottom and a bounce is coming? No, but at least it makes sense and it's logical to at least question it. In the event there is any sort of bounce, key area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. You can see it's already acted as resistance up here. Several times the bulls tried to get above it and couldn't quite do it. So while I'm not saying that it's impossible to break through that purple line, what I am saying is that according to the story of the chart, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game to not only fight above it, but then get some closes up above it. So all in all, very interesting setup going into tomorrow to close out the week. Is this the bottom? We shall see, but if it is, given this is a leveraged ETF, these things can move pretty quickly, so maybe a good trading opportunity. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.